Here is the house of labor and civil rights activist Cesar Chavez. This site is considered a historical landmark in the wonderful city of Oxnard. Here, his wife, 8 children, 2 German shepherds, and himself resided in this home here. And so here, let me bring you to this plaque over here, and it states that Cesar E. Chavez was born in Yuma, Arizona on March 31st, 1927. His parents, Librado and Juana Chavez, came to Oxnard to work in the walnut orchards in 1938, 1939, and 1940. During their 1939 stay, the family lived in a storage building at this address. While in Oxnard, the Chavez children attended Our Lady of Guadalupe School. Chavez returned to Oxnard in 1958 with the Community Service Organization to mobilize labor voting. He returned to Oxnard again in 1971 to organize the Field Workers Union. He died on April 23, 1993 in San Luis, Arizona at the age of 66. So the vision and legacy of Cesar Chavez lives in the hearts of many farm workers. And it's important to point out that Cesar Chavez and his family lived in La Colonia for a short period of time before heading to Arizona months later. And within this hidden gem, there's even a smaller hidden gem. There's actually a little flower garden at the front of the home. And so even though it is a very small, detail of the house, I think it deserves to be recognized. Well, thank you again for coming along with me on the radical walking tours of Ventura. And
Sandra.
yes, and please like and subscribe. Thank you. Bye. Oh my God.